Now here's how we can mute and unmute Zoom on iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you're not going to miss videos like this one. So essentially go to your Zoom chat, no matter if you have created it or someone else, but you can go to the meeting like this. And as you can see, when you are joining, you have some options right now. So at the bottom, you can browse the participants or check out the chat option, but there is the button at the bottom to mute, and there is also the like volume or sound button at the top. So the one at the bottom with the microphone is going to mute your personal like speech, right? So it's going to disable the microphone. You can speak, but the other people will not hear that. Whereas the one at the top is going to mute the sound of the other people, right? So your microphone is still active, but you are not hearing the other people, right? So you might also have it turn on at the same time, or to decide how exactly you want to keep it. Just ensure that you do it properly, because a lot of people just, turn off the sound at the top thinking that their microphone is disabled, where in fact it's not the case. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned for the next videos as well.